You're back with Andy from Why Not. I'm in my garage again to do another video for you. I have this old Pittsburgh Steelers clock. Now, I don't want to hear from the Dallas or the Green Bay or the Baltimore fans. It's just a clock. Everything's good. We're okay. My wife had bought me a number of years ago, and it had stopped working. The minute hand on it wouldn't turn anymore. So I put it off, I put it off, I put it off. So I finally said, it's time to have a look at this clock and see if we can fix it. We'll do a little video. Unfortunately, I didn't take a video of taking the clock apart. And maybe it's a good thing. I ran into a little bit of a jam with the clock. I'll show you the parts. It kind of fell apart on me. All right, here we go. We have the clock. We have the clock face. And we have the Clockworks component to it. You can see it here. It's kind of falling apart on me. I've got the minute hand, or the seconds, the minute, the hour hand there. Everything's there, except this guy really fell apart on me. It's not in good shape. So I ordered some new parts for it. So I'm gonna try to put it back together. I've never done this before, and I really don't have a clue what I'm doing. So let's see how this goes. All right, well, that looks okay. The same plastic gears are inside of this one as well. So, all right. Make sure that that's all in square. Yep, it's all in square. Just snug this up just a little bit. Not the right wrench. All right, well, that didn't go too bad. All right, let's see if we can put the hands back on it. This is where I ran into trouble before with this. Maybe I got to put them on in the right order. Okay. Oh, don't bend them. All right, let's put this in and let's see what happens here. There we go. Oh, look at that. It's actually working. Well, it wasn't that easy. Well, I'll put this back together, then I'll show you when I have it all back together. Well, there we go, gang. That was really easy. And I sure am happy I tried it. Why not? I've had other clocks that I just ended up throwing in the garbage. This is one that I didn't want to throw in the garbage. So I'm very happy. And hey, tried, why not? I ordered the parts off of Amazon. It was like $17 Canadian. Reused the arms on it, and it's working like a charm. So this will be a short, quick video on changing the mechanism in the clock. Thanks a lot, gang. Thank you for coming. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you again soon. Ciao.